Welcome to the tutorial video on how to thoroughly clean the ReactALL system using the DeepClean feature in the software. This procedure ensures that all internal lines in the ReactALll system are properly cleaned. To perform the DeepClean, navigate to the Sampling tab. Then go to Control. The DeepClean option can be seen on the right side of the screen. Select the specific reactors you want to clean or choose Select All to perform DeepClean for all the reactors. By default, all for cleaning actions will be selected, but you can deselect or select the desired actions as needed. Select Rinse QD bottles. This step flushes all lines from the quench and dilute bottles with 8 ml of their respective solvents. These are then collected in the waste bottle. Choose this option when you have changed the quench and dilute solvents and need to clean all connected lines. Select Blowout QDR. This step blows out nitrogen at the maximum pressure of 2 bars for 10 seconds to dry the lines connected to the quench, dilute, and rinse bottles. Select Clean Smart Cap. This option cleans the sample pocket inside the smart cap and the sampling tube with approximately 3.5 ml of the rinse solvent. The rinse solvent after cleaning is collected in the reactor vial, so make sure to insert an empty vial in each reactor for this step. The Clean Smart Cap process is carried out individually for each selected reactor. Select Rinse Lines, Reactor. This step cleans the lines from each reactor to their respective sampling needles, with 10 ml of rinse solvent, followed by a nitrogen blowout to dry the lines. The used rinse solvent is collected in the waste bottle. Like the smart cap cleaning, this is done one by one for all selected reactors. Before starting the DeepClean process, ensure that the quench, dilute and rinse bottle contain sufficient solvent, and the waste bottle is not full. Once confirmed, click Start DeepClean. If you selected the Clean Smart Cap action, the software will display a warning message prompting you to ensure that the reactor vials are empty. After verifying, click Yes to proceed. The scheduled DeepClean steps will then be displayed above in the scheduled task, listed in the sequence in which they will be performed. After completing the cleaning process, check the reactor vials. They should contain the rinse liquid used during cleaning. If the solvent appears clean and free of contamination, you can proceed to set up your next experiment. If additional cleaning is required, you can either repeat the whole DeepClean process or select specific individual cleaning actions as needed. These individual actions can also be accessed from the list of actions on the left side. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.